acidic body plus acidic food, when you take, you become totally unhealthy. You are not able to come out of the problem faster. Next, acidic body plus alkaline food, it is healthy.
The best solution is to eat something which is very, very alkaline. Okay, then when it go into our body, it can remove the acid from the body. The most alkaline is what? Yes, reishi. Beautiful name, reishi. Not reishi, no. DXN reishi. When we take Ganoderma, into the body, it's very alkaline. It contains more than 300 types of alkaline element.
Therefore, we need alkaline food supplements to neutralize our body's acidity. DXN has a wide range of alkaline health products, like RG, GL, Spica Tea, Spirulina, Lingzhi Coffee 3-in-1, and Morinci, for this purpose.